Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to post a screenshot on Steam, then this video is for you. So first thing you have to do is open your Steam application and log into your account. Now at the top right corner you can find your account where you can find view my profile or account details here. Now when you are on account details, you can find here something like, so from here you have to go to the view my profile. So where you can find the screenshots here. So you have to simply click on screenshots where you can find the instruction about a screenshot that you can get, and you can publish it on the Steam community. So you can just press your hotkey that F12 by default while in any game that runs the Steam overlay to take screenshots. Then publish them to your Steam community profile as well as Facebook, Twitter or Reddit to share them with your friends. So with 1 GB of personal Steam cloud storage, you can upload thousands of screenshots to show off your best moments for all your friends to see, or you can make them private if you'd rather keep them to yourself. So for that, you have to do is you can find some guidance from here also. That you have to do is simply click on Steam here, and you can find the Steam icon here and go to the settings. Now when you are on settings, make sure that you are on this in-game option here, and make sure you have enabled the Steam overlay while in-game. Turn on this option, and from here you can find take screenshot button here. You can change the button, but in default it will set to F12. You can change it according to your needs. Then after changing that, if you're playing any game on your stream, this is actually for my demo account. Now if you're playing any game, when you turn on this overlay, Steam overlay permission, then you have to simply do is click on that key for take the screenshot like F12. Then when you take the screenshot, it will automatically add it to your game library here. You can find in this section, for example, the CS2. You have captured a screenshot on CS2, and you have to go to the library and CS2 game, and you can find all the screenshot that you have taken. Then you have to simply click on that screenshot, and you can find the share button where you can simply click on share, and it will share. You can share it on the community with the caption you want. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.